high. Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another day. Today is on a Friday. My nails were cracking, so I decided to pass by spa and let them and fix them well. So guys, and then do some cleansing, some skincare for my legs, you guys. Yeah, so yeah, this lady does good, amazing job. Yeah, so I wanted to pass there and just make those nails, you guys. They were cracking so hard, so I was just not comfortable, so I decided to pass and make them, guys. So if you're new, my name is Adija. Welcome to my channel, welcome to today's vlog. Hope you are going to enjoy and hope you are going to share me out, leave a positive comment and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Later I passed by Naivas supermarket and I wanted to get our April shopping all. Yeah, so I was done with doing the nails, so I was just going down the stairs to the supermarket, you guys. Here the same mall has the same supermarket and the spa. So yeah, so let's see what I got from this supermarket. Yeah, I think today is on offer day. It's on Friday, you guys. So every day, every Friday, there is always Naivas offer in Kenya. Yeah, so see what I did and tell me what you think about this April monthly shopping. The budget was around 12k, so see what I got with 12,000 too. The economy in Kenya is really wanting. Yeah, the 12,000 some years ago we would shop like twice. Yeah, so but now it is what it is. Yeah, so stay tuned and tell me what you think about it. Guys, this is what I've gotten from Naivas. I want to share with you what I've gotten from Naivas today. We have done our April monthly shopping. Today is on 1st, on Tuesday, after Eid Mubarak. I've just passed by Naivas and then I've gotten our monthly stuff, what we wanted for 1 month. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, we have festive bread. I've gotten festive bread. And then I have eggs chapati. I have 1, 2 for chapati. I have njogo, ugali, 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. And then I have this hata. This is hata chapati. Yeah. And then I got this Naivas sugar. I got 4 kgs Naivas sugar. And then I got this. This is fresh fry, 5 liters. And then I got this sunrise biryani rice. And then I got green grams. This is banana brand. Then I got this smokies beef. And then I got saucy, 2 saucy. And then I have 2 cold grades. I have these 3 tomato paste. I have these spices. This is oregano leaves and this is basil. And then I got cowboy. This is 500 grams. And then I got this. These are cubes, Royco cubes, 3. One was 100. And then I got rani spaghetti, 3 pieces. I got canned salt. And then I got this prebiotic yogurt. This is vanilla and this is strawberry too, guys. And then I got this bio yogurt, plain yogurt. This yogurt is good for Eat pylori. Yeah, I got 2. And then guys, I got mala, 1 liter. And then I got Himalaya salt, this one from Naivas. And then I got this batimbai mefinywa na pikipiki. So I got tomato sauce there. Let me put it like that. Alafu I got prestige margarine. Zimefinywa na gari. Prestige margarine. That one. This is 1 kg vanilla. Then I got habanero chilies as usual. This is vanilla essence. yeah, foodstuffs, and then I have this 1 carton of Mount Kenya. And then guys, I have this is 1 carton of Mount Kenya milk. And then we still have anani 4 tissues which have not been unpacked. So I added velvet flour. And then I got this eggs for toilet cleaner. And then I got Cortex pads. And then I got this cleaning bus menengai too. And then I got 500 grams of Omo. I don't use the Omo powder for cleaning my clothes. I just love to clean the outside toilet and then clean the floors. The smell smells good, you guys. And then I got Roberts. I want to soak Mutumba kids clothes. Easy. So guys, this is what I've gotten for our... This is our what? Our April monthly shopping. It will take us almost 3.5 weeks. Yeah, it will take us a whole month. I still have another food over here, guys. We still have some extra spaghettis, sugar. Yeah, so that is what I have. And then guys, I'm going to get my groceries one of these fine days. So that is what we have gotten, guys. Yeah, allow me to show you what we have gotten. Tumepata, you can see we have this is hata chapati, and then we have this French fry. This is sunrise. This is sunrise biryani rice. Then we have dengu. We have that one. We have smoky here, and then we have that, guys. We have that. So you can see. Oh, I forgot. We have meat. This meat is for 1,000. It will take us like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. We don't take red meat every day. Yeah, and then we have salt. I have that one. You can see, guys, I have this Mount Kenya milk. Yeah, guys, that is what we've gotten for today. Yes, guys, that is what we've gotten. Yes, so that was we've gotten for today, guys. Yeah, that is what we have gotten for today, guys. Our drinking water over there, that is our drinking water, rainy water, guys. Yeah, that is what I'm cooking using that jiko. So I just want to cover it. It's almost, yes, guys. And then this water, I want it to boil well so that I can remove it from there and store it here. So this is boiled water. That bucket as our drinking water. Yeah, so I want to pour that. So guys, I want to prepare our meal prep for today, so stay tuned and see what I did to this food. Yeah, we usually boil water for drinking because it has rained and I can't buy water. Yeah, so I usually store my rainwater and then just boil it and drink it, you guys. Yeah, so stay tuned for our meal prep today. So just see what I cooked. A lot of meals in this house, so no more talking, just see what I did.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
So guys, I had some blended juice in the fridge, so I decided to drink. Yeah, so I felt dehydrating, guys. So and was cooking here ugali and meat and skuma wiki. So I hope you enjoyed my meal prepping for today, guys. Yeah, so remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, and give a positive comment in this video, guys. Share me out if you can. Yeah, and God will bless you more. So see what we did.
Paint the skies, I'll be